really important and possible to show what the results of the insights are. And some of those you can put monetary value in. You'll have people on the commercial side that do that all day long. And, they'll analyze and assess and figure it out. But I think that it's a huge piece that's missing in most companies that I talk to. Medical affairs or field medical, they're not getting credit for the results of their insight. And people don't even know necessarily what those results are. So I think we absolutely have to do a better job to follow up on the insights process. Whatever it is you're doing, however you're sending them out, the discussion that's having, make sure that you follow up and say, okay, 3 months later, 6 months later, which is typically when you actually see the results of those insights, right? You have to follow up and say, hey, what ended up happening with this? Oh, okay, you have a leave behind that you created. How many people have you given that to? What are they doing? How many patients have seen that? How many clinicians are using that, right? And it takes extra work, but you have to do that. Then you bring that back to the company and say, hey, this leave behind that we created because the HCPs told us we should, it's in 500 hospitals now. We've had 5,000 HCPs that have seen this, have used it. 10,000 patients have it in their hands now. That's what we have to be able to show. And it just doesn't happen very often.